Are you still confused about in, on, or at? Don't worry, at the end of this video, you are going to learn how to use in, on, and at precisely. Let's start with the in. Generally, we use in to talk about inside something. In terms of time, we use in for long periods. Example, in 2026, in July, in winter, in the morning, in the future. Think of in as a big time period. We use in to talk about something inside a place or an area. Example, in a room, in a building, in India, in a car, in the book. You are inside something. Abstract states. Example, in love, in trouble, in danger, in a hurry. You are inside a situation or condition. Now let's go ahead with on. On is touching a surface or connected. For surfaces, example, on table, on the wall, on the floor, on the screen, on the internet. Something is on a top of surface is called as on. Now let's take the scenario of days and dates. Examples, on Monday, on my birthday, on February 7th. Think of a specific day on a calendar. We can also use in for connection or activity. Examples, on the phone, on duty, on a call, connected to something. There is a common mistake. I'm in the phone. Correct one is I'm on the phone. Let's understand at. We use at for a specific point. In terms of exact time, we use at 6 p.m., at midnight, at noon. A precise time point is where we are going to use at. In terms of specific location, we use at. Example, at the bus stop, at the door, at the station, at the institute. A specific point, not an area. We also use at for activities or presence. For example, at work, at school, at home, at a meeting. The focus is on activity or presence. Let's see some of the common mistakes. Arrived in the airport. No. Arrived at the airport. Arrived at London. No. Arrived in London. So when we are talking about larger place, we use in. If you talk about a specific place or a specific point, we use at. Let's revise. In is used for inside a big area. On is for a surface or connection. At specific point. So if there is an area, you use in. If there is a surface, you use on. And at we use for point. Big, medium, small. In, on, and at. Let's see if you have understood this topic. Please check the quiz in the description below. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.